Almost done. Brilliant. We are missing just one more thing, and it's lookup connection between even request and item. I told you already that we have in required items, in even request, we have required items and there is object line price. Whenever we select paintball or motor car, doesn't matter, it should load the price here from item. If you remember, we have inside our item object, we have specified name and price of that item. Yeah, it means we need to create a lookup connection. The lookup connection can be created in administration. In object section, there is lookup. Again, you can do that through object from pencil, but we are going through all the way, like lookups. Click into lookups and add a new lookup. I always name the lookup as what it actually does. It means it turns item ID to price, right? Let's leave exact string and click on save. Now, it's pretty similar like reference. We have values, it's like list. You have values, you have returning values, and then values are used as a key. Whenever, for example, you select motor car or catering has its own ID, and according to that key ID, it returns you some particular value. It's pretty easy. So first what we need to do is we need to load information into that lookup list. We do that through already created object, same as a reference. So let's go to lookup object. And here we need to add a mapping as well, as it's pretty similar like reference. So we are going to add mapping from item. As a first value, you can see that we have item identifier, and as a return value, just choose price. Here we go, click on save, close, refresh, and values. And you can see that we have item identifiers here on the left side, like keys, and we have written values. Those are the numbers, price numbers. Yeah. Once we have set the lookup, we need to set it on or assign it on our object or subgrid. We have the lookup set on subgrid, so let's go into subgrid, in the required items, into lines. And here we have price. So make the price active, and on the left side there is lookup. We have reference and source field. As a reference, we choose our lookup, so item ID to price. And as a source field, we need to provide object line which contains the key. So it's item. Okay, and you can use filter as well, but we didn't set anything like that, so we keep it as none. And that's it. You can see now in user environment, in our Y company LTD, in even request, I can add a new one, even request. And here in the required item, I add a new one, and whenever I choose catering, it automatically loads a price, and paintball, cards, and so on. Later, we provide here quantity, and it calculates total value and so on, but it will be later. So that's it, I guess. We create a new lookup called, set object item as a new lookup source, refresh lookup, set lookup to object line. Yeah. So we just finished day 2. So you should be proud on yourself. And tomorrow we can go and do some hard work in day 3. See you.